Dilophosaurs are best known for their variegated neck frills, which fan outwards in a mesmerizing display of color.
Venture into the thrilling world of speculative paleontology as we unravel the captivating history of the Indoraptor, a mythical creature born from the creative depths of genetic experimentation in the Jurassic Park universe. Crafted as a hybrid predator with the cunning traits of Velociraptor and the raw power of the Indominus Rex, the Indoraptor emerges as a mesmerizing testament to mankind's audacious pursuit of control over the ancient forces of nature. Imagine the Indoraptor, a creature meticulously designed for stealth and lethality. Its dark, sleek scales, reminiscent of the shadows it effortlessly blends into, conceal its formidable form as it stalks its prey with an almost supernatural grace. The fusion of intelligence inherited from the Velociraptor and the sheer power of the Indominus Rex grants the Indoraptor a formidable advantage in the prehistoric arms race. The Indoraptor's nocturnal prowess amplifies the aura of mystery surrounding this engineered marvel. Under the cover of darkness, its luminescent eyes pierce through the shadows, enhancing its predatory abilities and leaving an indelible mark on the imagination of those who dare to envision encounters with this mythical creature. As a product of genetic manipulation, the Indoraptor is not bound by the limitations of natural selection. Its behaviors and instincts are calibrated to captivate audiences and evoke a primal sense of fear and fascination. The creature's portrayal in the Jurassic Park narrative serves as a captivating exploration of the consequences that arise when humanity plays the role of both creator and unwitting victim in the grand theater of life.
The Indominus Rex is a fictional species of dinosaur that was introduced in the movie Jurassic World. The Indominus Rex exhibits a range of physical characteristics, drawing inspiration from different dinosaur species. It has sharp, serrated teeth and powerful jaws reminiscent of the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Its body is covered in tough, scaly skin, providing a layer of protection. Additionally, it possesses long, muscular arms with large claws, allowing it to grasp and subdue its prey. In terms of behavior, the Indominus Rex is portrayed as an intelligent and highly aggressive predator. It displays cunning tactics, such as strategic planning and communication with other dinosaurs to hunt and overpower its prey. Its heightened senses and strength make it a formidable adversary within the movie's storyline.
Commencing asset transit. Transit has commenced. We are pleased to welcome the Utahraptor to the park. it.